In this video, I'm going to show you how to create email campaigns in Folk CRM, one of the most intuitive and user-friendly tools for customer relationship management. If you're new to Folk CRM, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything you need to know, and by the end of this video, you'll be confident in using this software to build and launch successful email campaigns for your business. Stick around till the end, because I'll also be sharing how you can get an exclusive and extended free trial to Folk CRM so you can get started without spending a dime. First, let's dive straight into how to create email campaigns in Folk CRM. Once you're logged into the platform, you'll see the dashboard where you can manage your contacts, emails, and workflows. To get started with an email campaign, simply navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Click Create Campaign, and you'll be prompted to give your campaign a name and select the type of campaign you want to send. Folk CRM offers both one-time email campaigns and automated campaigns, so choose the one that fits your needs. For a one-time email campaign, you can select your recipients by either uploading a contact list or choosing from your saved segments within Folk CRM. The segmentation feature is a great way to target specific groups within your CRM, whether you want to send emails to customers who've purchased a certain product or people who've engaged with a previous email campaign. Now, it's time to design your email. Folk CRM gives you a simple drag-and-drop editor, so creating an email doesn't require any coding knowledge. You can choose from pre-built templates or start from scratch. The editor allows you to customize everything, from text blocks to images and call to action buttons. Once your email looks the way you want, you can preview it and send test emails to yourself or a colleague to ensure everything looks great. Folk CRM also allows you to track how your email will render on both desktop and mobile devices, which is crucial to ensure a seamless experience for all your subscribers. Next, let's talk about automating your email campaigns. If you're running a more complex campaign, you might want to set up automated triggers. For example, you can send a follow-up email based on whether someone opened or clicked on your previous email. This kind of automation is extremely useful for nurturing leads and increasing engagement without any extra effort on your part. Folk CRM also allows you to track the performance of your email campaigns in real time, from open rates to click-through rates and even unsubscribes. The analytics feature gives you valuable insights into how your campaign is performing. These metrics can help you optimize future campaigns, so you can continually improve your results. Finally, before sending your email campaign, make sure to set up your delivery settings. Folk CRM lets you choose the best time and date to send your email, or you can send it immediately. You can also set up email throttling to ensure that your emails don't get flagged as spam by overloading recipients with too many messages in a short period. Once your campaign is ready to go, click Send, and your email campaign will be delivered to the selected contacts. You can then monitor the performance of your campaign, adjust your strategy based on the analytics, and keep refining your approach. Remember, you can use Folk CRM completely free through the first link in the description below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll be able to get an extended trial. This is an amazing opportunity to get your feet wet with email marketing and see how Folk CRM can elevate your campaigns without any upfront costs. That's it for this tutorial on how to create email campaigns in Folk CRM. I hope you found it helpful, and now you should be ready to start crafting your own campaigns in no time. Don't forget to check out the link below for that extended free trial so you can start exploring the full potential of Folk CRM. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.